Hey everyone! It is Michael here today. We're diving into the world of PDFs and Word documents with the help of Smallpdf. Let's get started. Fire up your web browser and head over to www.smallpdf.com. Don't worry, I'll wait right here. Once you're on the Smallpdf homepage, find the PDF to Word tool. It's like the magic wand of the website. Click Choose File, or if you're feeling fancy, drag and drop your PDF right into the box. After uploading, Smallpdf will work its magic. Just give it a moment, and voila! Your PDF is now a Word document in disguise. Spot the download button? Click it and save your newly transformed Word document. It's like catching the golden snitch of the PDF world. Navigate to your download location and open your Word file. And there we have it, folks. If you enjoyed this magical journey, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech adventures with me. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep it techie and stay curious.